Hello and welcome to Oshkosh. I'm here at Sling Island in the brand new Sling TSi. I have to say it's an incredibly comfortable aircraft to be sitting in. I have a Sling 2 back home and I feel a remarkable difference in the seat and the cabin room and the view out of the window. It just looks beautiful all around. I hear great things on the internet about the new 915 and the new wing design on this aircraft, and hopefully in the next few weeks or so I'll get in one and take it for a flight and give you a review. So thanks for tuning in, and make sure that every day you live your adventure.